Today to introduce the operation process of the UV aging test chamber. First, once we've connected the device's power supply, we'll turn on our power button. After turning on the power, this is the main interface of our device monitor. And then we have a fix test here. And then we have a prog test here. And then this is a func SED. This is a D-His. And a reserve. First let's look at this fixed test value of ours. Tap in and see that we have 3 modes here. This is condensation mode. And then this is a UV mode. And finally this is a rain mode. We currently have a condensation mode selected, where it's just a matter of setting up a spot. Let's say we want to set 45 degrees Celsius. And once we've done that, we'll just click run. Because it's not on this side in condensation mode. Then if we choose UV mode, we have to turn off the condensation mode first, so we can light it up. For example, if we choose the UV mode, we'll just set our radiation levels and one of our blackboard temperatures, and finally click run. And that's it. Then when we UV mode do not want, we need to rain mode when we select the rain mode. Then you hit run on it and it's ready to rain. Then here are the settings that can be made. Let's say our experiment takes an hour. Then we set it for an hour and turn it on. Then come back here and run the machine. Because we set it for an hour, when it's in rain mode, the unit rains for an hour and then stops. This program text is described next. Let's click in. First we have to edit the program. Let's click on this edit. Let's say my first step is to do a UV test. We choose UV. Then you can set the time. Right now, it's currently set to 2 hours. This is the blackboard temperature setting. Let's say I want to set it at 38 degrees Celsius. This is the intensity of the UV. Let's say we want to set 0.51. This sets up the first step. And then for the second step, for example, you need to set the condensation mode. We'll go with condensation. Then select the desired temperature for condensation, like 38 degrees Celsius. Set the time for 1 hour. Next, do the rain test. Let's start by setting the time. Let's say it needs to be set for 20 minutes. Rain here needs to be clicked on. This will start the continuous raining. Here you can also set the cycle, but you need to go to another place to set it up. The cycle is optional. After setting these up, it depends on how many times you have to go through this whole loop. Currently this loop is a 1 time. Now it is set to 3 times. After setting it up, we can then return to the program screen. The number here is 001. For example, the number here is also 001. Set up directly after clicking run. And then the third one is the func set. The key here is switching between English and Chinese, so that clicking on it will toggle. Here's a way to start and stop. Here's the stop. Cold start here. Hot start here. This is the backlight time of our display, currently set for 5 minutes. Here's the key lock. If you click to open it, you return here. We can't click on it if we want to. This is to prevent misuse by others. Here's the fault display. If a malfunction occurs, for example, it will be logged here. The last one is a reservation. This is now our current time. This is the time we need to make a reserve, assuming the appointment we need is July 1st, 2025. After setting up a reserve, turn this on. Once opened, we return to the program screen. or the fix screen. Let's say we return to this screen. At runtime, the program runs when the reservation time is up. And when it's done with the program, it stops automatically.